This is Katie Stover at the Les Murakami Stadium for the 2013-2014 Rainbow Warrior baseball season. Tonight they play Oregon Ducks for the first game of the season opener weekend.
Well, it's a tradition for us. You know, we've been season ticket holders for eons, and we always look forward to the opening day. And then the opponents are always good caliber opponents. So we enjoy the venue, enjoy the team, and we've been doing this for years. Well, regardless of whether they win or lose, we still enjoy coming out here. We enjoy watching the opposition, the quality opponents that come here, the quality teams that come here. And I know that many Major League Baseball players have played here, and so we just like baseball. Looking forward to a good season. I think as long as the Hawaii pitchers stay healthy, I think we'll be all right.
What brings me to tonight's game is to come watch my brother play left field, Mark Flores. What I look forward to throughout the season is for them to win their series and just watch some good baseball.
I'm here because I love baseball and they play country music outside my window every day, and I'm here to find my Valentine who's responsible for that country music. What I look forward to throughout the season is them playing more country music during practice and some winning games.
The sun hits like a bullet of fate, and then suddenly I'm wide awake. The fake bliss our apologies made was an enemy with no escape.
What brings me to tonight's game is to get my new child out there on the field and exposed to rainbow baseball. I grew up watching rainbow baseball, and it's time to pass it on to the next generation. So hopefully he'll like it. I look forward to hopefully a winning season this year. A lot of injuries last year. I'm looking forward to a great pitching staff and just hopefully a productive season. And every game with this little guy, hopefully it's a fun one.
Come out and cheer on the Bows as they hit the season out of the ballpark.
Tomorrow? You have a game tomorrow? When? Get a group picture real quick. Everybody stand right there.